Samsung has officially locked in the date for its next Galaxy Unpacked event will take place in London on July 22nd. Event introduced the Galaxy Watch models alongside the Galaxy Watch 9, Galaxy Glasses, Fold 8 and Flip 8. The images show a familiar design, in line with previous reports. For the most part, Watch Ultra 2 looks nearly identical to its predecessor, but we can spot slightly thinner display bezels and new bezel markers. The device reveals it will arrive in the same 47mm size and feature sapphire crystal display protection as well as LTE connectivity. Reports suggest a shift to the 3nm Snapdragon Wear Elite chip, promising improved performance. It offers 64GB of storage instead of 32GB. Watch Ultra 2 is expected to get a significant battery boost, with rumors of an 800 mAh battery. The watch has an IP6X rating for dust resistance and 10 ATM for water resistance. It has a 640 mAh battery with wireless fast charging support. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.